Alto is the professional refrigeration factory with 15 years history, specializing in chiller, heat pump, dehumidification system, and other HVAC products for all kinds of applications. We are well organized with the ISO 9001 quality management system. Quality products, precision engineering, and outstanding service are three areas in which we strive for excellence. We have been awarded patents and own an experienced R&D team, which enable us to supply customized products according to the client's special requirements. Altaqua chiller is widely for different applications, including fish farming, ice rink park, plastics processing, and many other applications that requires chilling system. And different kinds of protection are equipped to guarantee the smooth operation, such as high and low pressure protection, phase protection, overload protection, compressor protection, fan motor protection. Altaqua dehumidification systems are exported to more than 50 countries and got very good reputation from customers. It comes with wide range of capacity from 4 to 75 tons, delivering the most cost-effective, scalable performance, which control logic is developed by our engineer team with Siemens PLC controller, and efficient EC fan motors help to achieve varied latent and sensible capacity with different loads from the grow room. All our dehumidification systems are completed with full operational test to ensure it's in perfect condition before shipment. We dedicate to produce the dream products for our clients.